Ladies and gentlemen, Cecilia Molokwane here, the chosen one. Our first episode of As It Is. We are going to tell things as they are, brutally honest, and we're hoping that you'll enjoy this program that we are bringing to you. And today, we are starting with the beautiful super fan, as she's mentioned, of Netball South Africa, of SAFA, of rugby, of cricket, of any sporting code in the country, Mama Joy.
Yes, my president.
Good afternoon, Mama Joy.
I am good and you, president, and I'm happy to be with you.
My first guest for As It Is.
Yes.
Today, Mama Joy, I want to be honest with you. I want to know about Mama Joy. We know the super fan, we understand the super fan, but today it's all about Mama Joy. Tell us, who is Joy Chauke?
Yeah, Joy Chauke is me. It's me. Yeah, I come from Malamlele in Limpopo, Madonsi village. My father is Norman Chauke and my mother is Pepu, Grace Chauke. You know, guys, I'm born from a big family. My father, like I can say, had because now he's late, 9 wives and many children. I can't say how many because some we don't even know, they are outside and whatever. But my father had many children, more than 19 children. So from my mother, I'm the second born, and I'm happy because I'm in the middle from my mom. So always the first one will do something and the third one, just me in the middle. They just say, I finish with this one, finish with the other one. So I am good. Yeah, I come from the family where they love football. That's where it started. That's why now I'm here with the chosen one. I just want to tell you where it started. It started when my father was having an amateur soccer team. And then I used to follow them when they go to play, those games in the villages. So sometimes they didn't wanted me to go because I was still a little girl. And they say, no, soccer is for men. You can't always go with us. So most of the time when I know it's a game day, when I was still young, like 5 years old, I will hide myself inside the car. When they arrive, boom, I'm there. And they say, this one, we can't leave now. She's here. So it started like that. Then I went to school. You know, during Saturday, there's sometimes we go to other schools and then to play. Then every time, I used to go with the boys. Then at home, because they were having supermarkets, the orchards and whatever. So they wanted us to go to those things in Saturday just to help our mothers and whatever. Then I said, no. Because I'm not playing anything. I think today my chosen one is the first time to know that I was a netball.
Are you serious, Mama Joy? You just tell me.
I'm just saying as it is.
Oh, you're saying it as it is. No, I love it. When you say that it is what? Mama Joy, do you have kids?
Yes, I have. I have two boys.
Do you know that in South Africa?
Yeah.
We know Mama Joy. But we don't even know. We even know Papa Joy now. But we don't even know the woman behind the people that are supporting Mama Joy and now Papa Joy. Do you have kids?
Guys, I have 2 boys.
Yes.
I can say men because the older one is 32 and the younger one is 22. And I am 52.
Oh, wow.
So I have 2 boys and now they're grown up.
Yes.
My boy is a policeman.
Oh, wow.
And the other one plays soccer.
Wow.
So if I don't go to soccer and watch my boy,
yes,
that one said, no, I will arrest you. So it's a must. So that's why now you see me as a super fan, number 1 fan of Netball South Africa. I am here to stay, guys, as I've stayed in football, Springbok, cricket, and here is netball. So Mama Joy is here, and I will say as it is, number 1 fan of netball. That's me.
Okay, Mama Joy, let's talk about the woman behind Mama Joy. Who is
Yes.
Mama Joy at home?
Guys, people, they like talking about Mama Joy anyway, but at home, I am a mother. I am a grandmother. And now I'm
A married woman. I love it. You're a married woman.
I'm a woman to someone else. So I'm taken, guys. So as a mother, some people, they ask, because all of my children, both of them, people will say, Mama Joy, why your children are so disciplined and you are always not at home? To be not at home, it doesn't mean your children will not be disciplined. Because in real life, you can see the father is a pastor, but you can see the child is drinking and doing all the other things. So for me, I am fortunate because a lot of people, Mama Joy, we don't think this is your children. I said, this is my children. Because every day when I go, I give them assignment. When I go, maybe for 14 days, I'll tell them from day one, they must tell me this is what we have done. 1, 2, 3. When I come back, I want to know everything. If there is something wrong, even the food, they will tell us, we have eat this and this and this. Now this one is finished. Then we didn't eat this one. We go to the other one. So that's how I discipline my children. And they know, because the other one was 10 years old to the younger one. So used to be at home in time to look after the young one. So, sometimes when we are used to be at home, you are used to be at home, you won't go. Even now, I'm telling you, he's now independent, but he knows when it's 7 o'clock, I have to go. And so for the wife that he will take, I think he's very lucky, because they know when it's 7 o'clock for me, it's very late. And it's the boys, the boys here in the location like Dobsonville, they can go to the tavern and come back. My children doesn't do that. I don't want to lie when I'm there. I don't know when I'm not there, but when I read what they said, we have done this and this and this. I never saw like 8 o'clock we have been there or they've been chased or whatever. So I am a mother and I am a grandmother to Sheila and Bukahle. When I say Bukahle Bzakoko, done. When I say Sheila Beko Shakoko, I am done. And they know when Coco comes, will come with something. So now their mothers, they are like not happy with the Coco, because when Coco is out there, they will tell us, we don't care. When Coco will come back and sort this out. So, guys, I am the mother, and I'm also the aunt to my brother's children. You know how many they are? There's a lot. So they will tell you when they get married, they will say, no, we can't get married when our aunt is not here, because they know I make things happen. That's why now I'm saying as it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue, let's go for an ad break and then we will come back for more, to know more about Mama Joy. This time around, why she left Orlando Pirates. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are still with Mama Joy on As It Is. We are telling it as it is. And this time around, I'm going to ask difficult questions, and questions that South Africa were afraid to ask and never wanted to know. What is it that drove Mama Joy out of Orlando Pirates? Telling it as it is. Mama Joy, why did you leave Orlando Pirates? You were the super fan. The first time I knew you, you were at Orlando Pirates. Doing well there, everybody following you. We knew that Mama Joy of Orlando Pirates, when you did this, we knew it's going to happen.
Yeah, hey, you got me, President, today. But I will tell you as it is, President, because Orlando Pirates has got a lot of supporters.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates has been owned by a man.
Yes.
And Orlando Pirates is a big team in South Africa. I don't want to lie to you, President. That's everyone knows it. You go outside, like many people, when I go outside, they're still saying this to me instead of Tushi Twasha.
Yes.
So at Orlando Pirates, I have seen that Orlando Pirates got a lot of supporters and whatever. Then I decided that when Royal AM came to PSL, it was not easy for Royal AM to come because last day we thought Royal AM has been
relegated.
No, they've been promoted automatically.
Yes. Oh wow!
They don't have to play playoffs and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So now at the end of the day, and then we had Skukune is the one who has been promoted, and Royal AM has to go and play for. That day my heart was broken, like seeing Mam Kize, the owner of Royal AM. She was like up and down with her team, making sure that this time we are going to PSL and we are going to be promoted. It was a heartbroken that day when they announced that no, Royal AM, they still have to go and play for the playoff. Yeah. My heart was broken. And then I say, yes, why don't I go support this team? And then I said to myself, looking at her face and whatever, in like few days, I heard that she bought Celtic. I said, yes, this is my time. Let me support this team because they don't have a lot of supporters and the owner is a woman. Yes. Let me move and support another woman. Then most of the people, they think maybe Mam Kize approached me. No, she didn't. I approached Mam Kize. I want us to go there. Yeah. Mam Kize didn't approach you. She didn't. You approached her. I approached her. So South Africa, Mam Kize did not approach Mama Joy. Mama Joy went to another woman to support another woman. Yes, President, that's it. Then, it was this time of COVID and I didn't know how to get Mam Kize. Even if you can find someone who's working for Royal AM and ask the number of Mam Kize, no one can give it to you. And then I said, no, I prayed for this. Guys, I don't want to lie, President. I prayed for this to be there. I prayed for God that please let me meet Mam Kize. Because how am I going to meet Mam Kize? Something happened. I was in Dobsonville and at the Dobsonville Stadium. And then Mam Kize just parked the car where I was. Like, wow. It was like a miracle. And it was like the end of the game. They were playing Swallows and they've lost the game. Yes. You can't approach someone when... Yes, but something tells me, please. She just lost the game and you want to talk to her. Mama Joy. So, I mean, I've lost the game and you want to talk to me. Worst part of it, you are a Pirates fan. And we are in Dobsonville, you just played Swallows. And Swallows have just beaten me. No, what did she say? I'm interested in that part. Then I was like, I don't know. By her parking where I was, it was like God's miracle. God's miracle. Then I went to her and because everybody knows Mama Joy. She didn't know I was like going to talk about some other things. She was like, just Mama Joy is a supporter. Then I approached her and said, hey, Mam Kize, how are you? And then we talk. And then I said, Mama, I want to join you. I'm not asking, but I want to join Royal AM. I want to be with you. I want me to support your team. As a woman, I am choosing you today. And then she said, hi, Mama Joy, you are just you are just playing with me. And it seems as if it was not like, it was like a joke for her. And then I said, can I have your number? That's what I like from Mam Kize. She didn't say a lot of things. She gave me 2 numbers. She said, if you call this, if you can call that one, you will get me. Okay. And then she gave me another number for the one who's working with her. Yes. And then I said, wow, this woman. And then that makes me like love her and say, even if she's lost the game, but still managed to accommodate me for that 2 minutes. For me, it was done. So your aim of going from Pirates to Royal AM, I was going to ask you, isn't Swallows part of Dobsonville? Yes, Swallows is part of Dobsonville, but I didn't wanted to join Swallows. Why? Because the owner of Swallows, it's a man. In fact, I wanted a woman to support a woman. Most of the people, President, even if you don't ask me, most of the people, they say, why don't you support Manto?
Yes.
the golden arrows.
Yes.
But it was not, on that time, it was not like that. Now I say, Mom Kize, she's young and vibrate, and let me go to her, and support her. That's it.
Mama Joy, parents, you left. You are at Royal AM. You're with rugby. I know you're with the prize squad of rugby. I know you're with the prize squad of rugby. I did my homework, by the way.
Yes,
I know you're with the prize squad of rugby. How is the feeling at rugby? Let's talk rugby now. How is the feeling?
Guys, most of the people, they say rugby is for white people.
Yes.
It's for white supporters. Then, I supported rugby a long time. Some people, they think I supported rugby now, World Cup 2023. I've been with rugby for a very long time, supporting rugby. But the nice one, the memorable one, that I cannot even when it is soccer, netball, cricket, or whatever.
Hold it there.
Outstanding.
Hold it there. You see the way you're holding it? Hold it there on the outstanding. So as when we come back, you tell us which one is the memorable one. Let's go for an ad break, because we have to pay the bills. The bills must be paid. So Mama Joy, when we come back, she tells us what is a memorable one. I wonder which one it is. We are back, ladies and gentlemen, with Mama Joy, enjoying Mama Joy herself. Mama Joy, the woman. Mama Joy, the mother. The Mama Joy, the grandmother. Mama Joy, the aunt, as she told us. Mama Joy, the super fan of South Africa. Whether we like it or not, she is the super fan of South Africa. Mama Joy, you said we must hold it.
Yes.
We did that.
Exactly.
What is your favorite? Which one was your favorite World Cup? And why? Of rugby, by the way. Why?
Rugby World Cup 2023, for me, I won't forget. Even if I can add Qatar, whatever, but Rugby World Cup 2023 is the most outstanding one. Because when I was there supporting, there were people also at home saying, "Oh, Mama Joy, she's eating our tax money." And
I was not waiting for that.
And it was like, Mama Joy, she's eating our tax. But a lot of people, when I go to the stadium, they're saying, Mama Joy, they queue. They make a queue. They say,
In
Mama
France.
Joy. In France.
Wow.
And it's not like black people, white people from South Africa.
That's how you got Papa Joy. He was queuing.
Papa Joy was not queuing because he was not a South African. I'm talking about the Springboks. They are telling me, Mama Joy, I want your picture, because my wife at home, she said I must get your picture.
Oh, wow.
So she can believe that I am here.
Oh, wow.
Without your picture, I can't.
So you saved marriages.
I saved a lot of marriages.
Mama Joy.
And, when I look at that World Cup,
yes,
most white people, they didn't know Mama Joy.
Oh, yes.
They thought it was for the first time of Mama Joy.
Yes.
Because a lot of people, when they are taking picture, they are saying to me, "No, you are now famous." I said, "No."
I love that. So it's not now that you're famous. It's a thing that has been ongoing. I love that.
And what I like, there are some things that people didn't know. I fast for my team. I pray for my team. I remember when we play France, we went to the graveyard there where our forefathers has been buried, Second and First World War. Then we went there. And when I come straight to the graves, there's a tree. That tree, they say, is a lucky tree.
Yeah.
Because it was like when everything was down that tree.
That's before you got Papa Joy going
to the tree. It was before.
That tree has done wonders.
It was before.
Yeah.
Then we went to that tree.
Yes.
When we go to that tree.
And you phoned me on the day.
Yeah.
And we are going to beat France with 1. And it happened.
Thank you, President.
I remember that call.
I was there. And then I cover, I say, Lord and my ancestors, I am here. It doesn't matter even if we can win with 1
Yes.
point, it
And
doesn't
we
matter.
did.
And people, they don't know what this 1 point came about. The minister.
South Africa, did you hear that? She phoned me on the day saying that we are going to win France with 1 point. In my mind was like, this woman is sick. How does she know? Now she's telling me that she went and hugged a tree. A tree.
And the president, deputy minister was there.
Yes.
She had it. The embassy people, I was with them. They were like, it was like just praying because we
Yes.
were praying, and then we were rebuking the spirit of South
yes.
Africa to go, because they came. I said to them, you came here to fight,
Yes.
and you are still here, but we are going to play. It was Thursday. We are
Yes.
going to play France.
Yeah.
Come, let's fight. Because you are here to fight. Let's fight and win France. I don't care, guys.
Yeah.
Even if we can win with 1 point, but let's go and fight. And indeed,
We won with 1 point.
1 point.
Mama Joy.
England,
Yes.
1
1
point. New Zealand,
1 point.
1 point.
So this 1 point thing is your thing.
President,
Yes.
when they say Mama Joy is a super fan,
Yes.
I know you believe it because you know it's President.
Yes.
When I was there, I was telling you every day.
Yes. I'll bear witness to that. South Africa, I'll bear witness to that, because I was being called by Mama Joy saying to me, today we are playing this team, this country, and it happened the way. I bear witness today. Mama Joy, you are into all sporting codes, and we want to see you in more sporting codes. Why? Why netball? Why football? Why rugby? Why Mamkhize?
You know, with this different federation, it's
Yes.
different federation. It's not the
Yes.
same. I can start with football. I
Yes.
supported football for a long time. So
Yes.
I've been in SAFA
Yes.
for a long time.
Yes.
When Bafana or Banyana or under 17 or under 20 went away, I will go to the airport and send them. When they come back, also welcome them. Go to the game, support Bafana. Because I said, for me to support Orlando Pirates is not enough.
Yes.
Let me support my national team. Because at national, you don't choose. I'm a South African, which
Yes.
means I have to support the
Yes.
team. Then I joined Bafana. I just want to thank the president of football,
Yes.
Dr. Danny Jordan.
Oh,
Even
yes.
now, he's still supporting me. He supported
Yes.
me. That's why, you know, sometimes things are not about money. It's the
Yeah.
love that
Oh,
you
yes.
see.
Oh,
Then
yes.
when someone gives you love and he can see what you are doing,
Mm.
so you have to do it more
Yeah.
for him to be happy. Sometimes for me, it's no longer about Bafana. When I say,
Yes.
oh, I just also want to see the president
Yes.
happy. You know, let Bafana win.
Yes.
Let us pray for Bafana. Let us give them that hope.
Yes.
I
Rugby,
supported that. I supported rugby. There's a president of rugby,
Mark Alexander.
Mark Alexander.
Yeah.
He's there when the rugby they are going to play a World Cup somewhere. He will see me coming, and he said, every time you are here, I say, yes, I'm here because I'm a South African. I'm here to send my team.
Yes.
And then he was like, he recognized me. Then it went to cricket.
Yes.
Also, when I go there, I will go and say, if I don't have a ticket,
Yes.
because you know, cricket and rugby tickets sometimes are very high.
Yes.
And I will go and ask, they will say, no, wait a bit. And then if we get some people that didn't come and they've placed the order, we will give it to you. I will wait. And they say, no, she will wait. And then it started like that. You know, I don't want to talk a lot about netball because people, they will say, because she's here with me. There was a rugby World Cup of netball 2023,
Yes.
Cape Town.
Yes.
And on that time, I was already packed and have done everything because Banyana was playing FIFA Women's World Cup. I had to go to New Zealand and Australia for attending that. And I said to the president, I want to support you, but I am going. I'm going to watch the Banyana, and it's already done now. It's just for me to pack the pay. And then she said to me, no, don't worry. You will be with us with your spirit. I said, no, don't worry, President. I will be praying for the team. I will be praying for the tournament. Because you are a woman, and this kind of tournament, it became successful. Your name will be there, and it will be there forever, and no one can take that. And then she said to me, I go, when you come back, we will talk.
Yes.
Then I went away to watch the FIFA Women's World Cup. And then when I come back, and then it was like, now I was happy. Now I'm having a president. Then there was a G Sport Awards. I went to the awards. I saw her and I said, now is my time. Let me go and talk to her. Then I went, President. I remember I saw you. You were just standing in the corner. And then I come with my tonga and say, Abshen, President. President Minjan. And you didn't send me like why she asked me in Tsonga or whatever? Because I know she can speak Tsonga. Then she said to me, no, I'm fine. And then I said, President, send buyin. Shilungwa samsegin says leka nwina sweswi ni nyiketa nwina ku ri mi endla njhani. But President hayi okay. Ni kombela number ya n'wina President. I can't chava phela. And then President, she gave me a number, and then I said, good shot.
Mama Joy, thank you so much. It was good having you here. We really appreciate knowing Mama Joy, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. We wish you all the best in your marriage, because God must be inside your marriage and must be inside your career. And your ancestors must protect you. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap, as it is. Next time, join me when I've got another woman, another man in sport, and telling it as it is. This time around, a known face that was not given an opportunity to be known.